Welcome back to another restoration video with our sponsor, Evapo-Rust, the super safe rust remover. Specifically targets iron, won't affect copper or any other metals. So here we have a severely rusted adjustable wrench. So there's going to be a couple more steps to doing this one because this one is obviously all metal, no plastic handle. So because of the container I have, this won't quite fit. So we're going to have to think of another method of doing this, or I can just do part of it here and we can see a before and after picture of the rust removal. But first things first is we're actually I'm going to wire wheel this off camera using a DeWalt bench grinder. Not sponsored by DeWalt. And I'm going to just be using a wire wheel on this, getting off a majority of the loose rust and dirt and other grime. Alright, so I got majority of the rust taken off of this. And I know Evapo-Rust could take it off, but I'm not looking to go through my Evapo-Rust just with most of the rust that's on here. But anyway, you guys can see that this thing is really rust welded together. And this isn't going to move, so let's see if Evapo-Rust is up for the challenge. And I've cleared away, like I said, most of the rust that was on this. I left a very, very rough spot here just to see that Evapo-Rust could have done the whole thing. But this is going to be a very, very rough crescent wrench at the end. As you guys can already see, like the pitting and everything, just from wire wheeling alone. So this time we're going to also put the crescent wrench on some copper, and then actually no, we're not even going to do that. So here I just have the straight bar that goes across. We're just going to hang this straight from that and dunk that right on in, and it touches the bottom. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but we have bubbles coming up from rust pockets. They're quite tiny, so I don't think my camera will pick it up. Let's zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see them, but like there's little tiny bubbles going up, coming out of the rust pockets. And then we're just going to top this off with Evapo-Rust, and that'll be the end of part one. That will be all that we're going to add. Alright, so what have we done today? So we have slightly derusted this crescent wrench, or adjustable wrench, however you want to call it. And then now we have it soaking in Evapo-Rust. We're going to give this, because it's a little rough, we're going to give this about 40 or 24 hours to go through the derusting process, see how it is. I'll see how it is, and you guys will have a little quick little video on 24-hour update, and then hopefully that should be all this needs, other than the little piece of the handle that's right here above the Evapo-Rust. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy this type of restoration content, definitely leave a like down below and let our sponsor, Evapo-Rust, the super safe rust remover, know that I make good content. Not only can we use this on tools, but you can use it on antiques, rusted cookware, auto parts, and hardware. And The best thing about this is it's safe, simple, effective, environment friendly, and it's economical. But thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.